GoPro's Hero Light and compact action camera was launched in India back in September. It is now getting a new upgrade that allows it to record videos in a new 4K 4:3 aspect ratio setting. This new option is said to utilize the sensor's full height and width when filming and is claimed to be ideal for capturing immersive first-person perspectives, more engaging selfie shots, and taller videos. Here are the details of the new upgrade. GoPro Hero users can update their cameras via the companion GoPro Quick app on Android and iOS at no extra cost. The immersive first-person perspective is said to make you feel like you're there in the scenario, while the selfie shots in the 4:3 aspect ratio can fit more people in the shot. The videos recorded in a 4:3 aspect ratio are taller, which is better for sharing directly to all social media platforms, including Instagram and Facebook. The company notes that you can also crop 4:3 videos to a 16:9 aspect ratio for a more traditional widescreen look. The GoPro Hero 4K action camera is said to be 35% smaller and 46% lighter than the Hero 13 Black. It is waterproof up to 5 meters and features a 1.76-inch tiny touchscreen display area. The camera can click images in 12-megapixel resolution and can capture 4K and 1080p videos at 25/30 frames per second or 2.7K videos at 60 frames per second. GoPro cameras are made to take some abuse and rough handling, and the Hero is no different. Its metal frame means it can survive drops, while a waterproof rating of up to 16 feet without a housing makes it appropriate for poolside activities and snorkeling, though other action cameras can go deeper. The main interface is a 1.8-inch touchscreen. That's pretty small for a camera, but adequate for the Hero's fully automatic operation and basic interface. I can comfortably swipe between recording, playback, and menu screens. Icons for changing settings are large enough to tap, too. You can also control and command the camera via your smartphone. Just download GoPro's Quick app and pair your camera. Basic voice commands like start recording work as well. Hypersmooth video stabilization is said to automatically smooth out the shakes in the footage. With battery, the camera weighs just 86 grams, making it a perfect camera companion for travelers, athletes, and others. The GoPro Hero 4K action camera is currently available via Flipkart at 19,999 rupees. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.